Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to be taking Arrow, the Prelude again, to a car meet that I host every Sunday at 1 called SLUSH. The meet should be pretty fun today. It should be a nice turnout. It's a beautiful day and we should have a nice cruise as well. This man brought out the Type R today. Sheesh. She's looking clean. Wow. Man, this thing is beautiful. Jeez. Ooh, yes. Yes. B18C. That's what we like to see. It's a pretty solid turnout here. Got all types of vehicles. We'll do a little walk around for you guys here in a sec. You know, Phil just casually pulling up with this twin turbo Mustang. You know, nothing crazy going on here. Just twin turbo V8 things. Sheesh. This thing is nuts. Beautiful legacy wagon here, this thing. Ooh. I like how she's sitting. Hold on. MR2 boys. Dang. Another MR2. How often do you see two MR2s in the same location? Never. Guys, this really makes me miss my MR2 a whole lot. I don't know. Should I get another one? I don't know. E46 M3. Looking beautiful. Okay. What do we got here? Is this a Cressida? No. Chaser. Oof. Really got some clean cars out here today, guys. Stance boys. Kia Stinger boys. Mustang boys. Supra boys. We like that. It's the second Supra we have here today. Both of them are black. Looking beautiful. Okay, old school wagon. Okay. This thing's tough. Like what? This thing is clean. Cadillac boys. You know when they got a tire like that, it's probably serious. Okay. Ooh. Man, wow. This thing is beautiful. Hold on, let's go see the front end. What a beautiful vehicle right here. Wow, Lexus boys. One Series boys, okay. 135, carbon fiber hood, Civic Type R. There we go. It's looking fire. Yes. More Mustang boys. Cobra. Ooh, I think that's a GT350 actually. NSX boys. Man, two magnificent vehicles, guys. Beautiful S14. Got more homies pulling up here. What an awesome turnout today, guys. Yes. It's 300ZX, man. You don't see these too much anymore. Okay. Clean wheels. Beautiful Porsche. Looking real nice. Is that a TL Type S? Hold on. That definitely is a Type S. Wow. Clean. You don't see those very often.
Tomorrow.
As you guys can see here, we have Wago, and she has the H22A4 sitting in there. With the help of Ritchie and Emery here, we were able to get this thing in the car. It has been, you know, a pretty smooth process so far, you know? I think it helps when you have extra hands on deck.
Get in there,
you
definitely sped some things up.
Exactly, definitely. But other than that, we got the transmission under here. We were about to get her hoisted in there, and yeah. get this thing knocked out. So no further ado, let's make it happen.
I'm not good right here. Hold on. Down a slight bit. Hold on. It's that red bar. Oh, I'm over.
Day 2.
Okay guys, it is a couple days later. We are actually back at Wago. So I finished getting the motor kind of put together and in here for the most part. We got all the mounts. We have everything hooked up, such as the fuel lines. We have our starter in. So essentially, the car should start right now, but let's go ahead and see if she does. So the key in our ignition. Fuel pump is priming. I don't smell any fuel. Yeah, let's give her a shot. And she runs. She runs, guys. Well, guys, I shut the car off because it is super loud. I still need to connect to the exhaust there, but she is running. She has a check engine light, which I expected. I didn't expect this thing to run perfectly. But guys, I think this is a great place to call the video here. This video has kind of gone over for the past couple of days now, so I just want to be able to put together a little video for you guys. So if you watched all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. You guys know I'm just trying to build the channel one good video at a time. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps me grow the channel. But aside from that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.